Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are the home of Carolina Aircraft. Now we specialize in only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. And today I have a beautiful 1975 E55 to show you. She has a fabulous engine conversion I know will make you smile. So this is a fast E55. Your engines, Teledyne Continental IO550 300 horsepower engines with the DeShannon conversion. That means we have the DeShannon engine baffles. This airplane, 200 plus knots, about 955 hours on both engines since factory Reman. So as you can see, we have 3-blade hot props, about 710 hours on your props since prop overhaul, and we do have windshield alcohol anti-ice. So the Baron E55 is indeed a workhorse, and we've got plenty of room to carry your things with you. Useful load for this particular Baron, 1,700 pounds, and up here we can carry as much as 300. As you can see, this airplane is striking. You are going to want to fly her places and show her off, be it for pleasure, vacation, business, or the family. 166 gallons of usable fuel on board. And again, I mentioned because of that engine conversion, she's fast, 200 plus knots at cruise. The exterior of this beautiful Baron, it's Matterhorn white overall with blue and red stripes. New paint in 2013, 4,125 hours total time on the airframe since new. So check out your big cargo door here on this Baron. We have 6 seats for your passengers to enjoy. If you want to remove a seat, no problem. I don't even need any tools. All I need to do is just pick up on a bar to remove the seat. And also a reminder, the useful load, 1,700 pounds. So come on in and check out the interior. Beautiful condition, gray leather seats, great carpet. Folks, this was redone in 2003. It looks newer to me than that. We also have built-in oxygen for everyone and 4 shoulder harnesses. This Baron has a nicely equipped flight deck. Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS, a Garmin 430 non-WAAS GPS Navcom, Garmin transponder with ADSB out. You'll enjoy Garmin XM weather and music. We have a Stormscope on board and a Sentry 4 Autopilot HSI system and yaw damp. And as a bonus, a Garmin Yoke mounted GPS and more. Features you will appreciate: beautiful paint and leather interior, 200 knots plus cruise speed, air conditioning, built-in oxygen, speed slope windshield, Shadin digital fuel flow, Rosen sun visors, a CD player, dual glide slopes, and so much more. Fast, economical, and beautiful. This 1975 E55 Baron is looking for a new home. Now I remind you, she's a fast little bird. She's got that engine conversion. IO550 300 horsepower DeShannon engine conversion. So 200 plus knots at cruise. A nice flight deck, beautiful paint, great interior, lots to love here. And you know, Baron School, well, it's included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new Baron. So we are Carolina Aircraft. We're here at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We would love to meet you. You can buy online or give us a call and come take her for a test drive. We look forward to seeing you here. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thank you so much for watching.